Here I've got Huawei Nova Young, and let me show you how to set up date and time on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select advanced settings, and here the first tab is date and time, simply click on it and you can either use automatic date and time or you can switch it off. And now set date and time manually by yourself. So let's go back in time to 2015, and then you can also switch off automatic time zone just by tapping on this switcher, and now you can select it by yourself. As you can see, you've got plenty possibilities. Let me pick Amman, and then you can also change the format of your clock, so you can use either 24-hour format clock or you can use 12-hour format clock. It's up to you. This is just pick the one that you like the most. And actually that would be all, so you can smoothly and easily change date and time in your device. Whenever you would like to go back to automatic setup, smoothly tap on those switchers to go back to default settings. And that would be all. This is how you can change date and time in your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.